Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Acorns card, covering both options for adults and children. For adults, obtaining an Acorns checking account is the primary step to receive your debit card and potentially access funds sooner. For younger individuals, the Acorns Early program provides a dedicated card. We'll walk through the simple steps to acquire these cards and highlight the unique benefits each offers for managing money effectively. To get an Acorns Early card for a child, a parent or guardian must open an Acorns Early account. This card is specifically designed for young individuals between 6 and 18 years old. It's a fantastic tool for teaching financial literacy, allowing kids to learn about earning, saving, and responsible spending. Parents maintain control through the app, receiving real-time notifications and setting spending limits for peace of mind. For adults seeking early access to funds, the only way is through an Acorns checking account with direct deposit. First, open an Acorns checking account to get your debit card. Then, set up direct deposit with your employer, routing your paycheck directly to your Acorns account. This can enable you to receive your funds up to 2 days earlier than many traditional banks, depending on when your employer submits payroll. Both Acorns cards offer valuable benefits. The adult Acorns checking debit card allows for real-time roundups, investing your spare change with every purchase. You also get access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs. For kids, the Acorns Early card helps teach financial habits with features like chore tracking and automatic allowance. All Acorns checking accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000, providing security for your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.